Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to translate languages with DeepSeek AI step by step. Whether you want to translate a word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even a longer document, DeepSeek can help you do it quickly and accurately. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, open the DeepSeek website and sign in to your account if needed. Once you're on the main chat page, click New Chat to start a new conversation. Now click inside the message box and type the text that you want to translate. Before the text, add a simple prompt such as, "Translate this into Spanish." After typing your prompt, click the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard. Within a few seconds, DeepSeek will translate your text into the language you requested. If you need another language, simply change the prompt. For example, you can ask DeepSeek to translate the same text into French, German, Japanese, Arabic, or many other languages. Once you're satisfied with the translation, you can select the text and copy it for use in your documents, emails, websites, or other projects. That's how easy it is to translate languages with DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.